Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today's video is my Valentine's Day clean and decorate with me video. A lot of you guys not only like to see the DIYs I create for my home, but you guys also like to see how I decorate my home with them, and also how I decorate my home with other things that I've hauled to you guys from Dollar Tree or from other different places at a good price. And so today's video is just that, sharing with you guys how I decorated for Valentine's Day. But also I hope this video gives you guys some cleaning motivation, because I know whenever I need to get things done and I really don't want to, I always turn to YouTube videos with other women to inspire me to get up and clean. And so I hope that this video not only gives you guys some decor ideas, but also some motivation to get up and do something today if you have to get things done, if you have to clean up, or if you have to decorate, whatever it is. I hope I give you guys the motivation you need today, but also give you guys some decor ideas as well on a budget. This planner right here is from Better Homes and Garden at Walmart. It's very popular. This one and the bigger size was very popular last year. Everybody was trying to get it, and I actually got it at a good deal for 75% off or 90% off when it was off season. So I use it to decorate different things for the holidays. I'm actually putting these little hearts in here that you can get from Dollar Tree. They actually come in red, but I spray painted them pink because I love the color pink, and I will be using some red this year, but most of the time I love just decorating with pink. So I spray painted them with pink and just filled up this planner with the hearts. And then for the middle part of this table, I'm putting this wooden decor that you can get at Dollar Tree. And then these two things are other Dollar Tree decor DIYs that I made on my channel, which you guys can see. This vase right here is from Walmart, the dollar spot, and here I just put some Dollar Tree flowers in it. And really simple. I just wanted to make sure that everything was kind of clear. I didn't want too many things on the top of this table because it's when we first walk in. I want it to be kind of clear and not all bunched up. So I like how it is. For the bottom part of this table, I put one of these baby blankets from Dollar Tree that I got off season because it was just a heart, just a baby blanket, and I thought it was perfect for Valentine's Day. And I just decorated with some pillows that I got from Five Below and also from Kohl's last year that I shared with you guys. They were only $5. On this other side, I have this tray, which is a DIY I made on my channel a while back using just two of the Dollar Tree plastic serving trays that they have in the party section. And then this vase is just 4 Dollar Tree mirrors that I created on my channel a while back at the beginning of my channel, and I love using it all the time for Valentine's Day because it just looks so high end. I also like decorating my home with it, but I decided to add some Dollar Tree flowers to it to have a little pop of pink and white. And again, this part right here is really simple. I didn't want too much on here. I just wanted to, as soon as you walk into my entranceway, I want it to be decorated but not cluttered. I feel like, you know, when I have a cluttered area, I have a cluttered mind, so I didn't want too many things in this entranceway, and I just love how it came out. It just looks really pretty, decorated just enough but not too much. Then we're gonna move on to my coffee bar area, which this area used to be an area where I decorated a lot, but I'm coming to find out that I don't want too many things on my kitchen counters, even on my coffee bar area. I know it's really cute to have the coffee bar area, and I always get like inspired to make a coffee bar area with all this stuff out because I see so many beautiful designs that people do, like having all the syrups and having all the sugars and having all the different things to make a coffee bar area look nice. But then I feel like every night when I have to clean, it's just so much stuff I have to move around, and so I wanted it to be really simple for Valentine's Day. I only wanted to put a couple things over there. So this little tray I got from the Target dollar spot, I believe last year or the year before, for $5. And I just decorated with just a little bit of stuff just to add some decorations to it. These little like, as like a cup and a jar, I also got it from the Target dollar spot, and I believe those were $5 as well. And I'm just filling them with these little espresso chocolate beans that you can get at Dollar Tree so I can add them to my coffee. So I still have something like a coffee bar area, but not too much. I didn't want too much of like the syrups or anything out. Then I added this little tea time picture frame, which also was in the Target dollar spot, and then just some of these flowers that I shared with you guys in my last Dollar Tree DIY video where I shared with you all the Valentine's DIYs. I had a bunch of these flowers left over from my daughter's quinceañera, and so I used them to decorate as well. And then just some jars from Dollar Tree that they have every year. I just fill them up with candy and put them on either side of my coffee bar area. And it's just really simple how it is over here. It's not too cluttered. It's not just like the front, it's not too cluttered, but it's decorated just enough. And then I also have this jar that's empty right now, but usually when we make baked goods, I always put the baked goods in there, like muffins or cookies. And so I like to have that by the coffee pot area.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words.
So in this area, I like to put my decorative spatulas and scrapers to kind of add, you know, organization, but also I like to show them because they are pretty for the holidays. I don't have all of them out right now because we did bake the night before, and so there's some in the dishwasher. So there's only 2 right here, but normally I have more in this little jar, and I just like, you know, using this for organization, but it's also good to display them because it is a cute little decor piece as well for the kitchen.
Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong when all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
Some of you guys have seen this knife set in some of my background when I'm doing my DIYs or in my pictures, and I actually got it from Walmart. It's the, I believe, the Drew Barrymore line. Yes, the Drew Barrymore line, and I just love it. It's black and gold, and everything downstairs is black or white with like touches of gold. So I thought this was perfect, and I was in desperate need of a new knife set. I really do like this. I will link it down below if you guys want to get it.
Forever, let's run away together.
Here are the new shelves in my dining room that I told you guys that I put up on the wall, and I'm so happy to have them. I've been wanting to have some floating shelves to kind of give more storage for like the pretty kitchen items that I have, but also somewhere I could decorate with as well. I do have 2 on this side and 2 on the other side of the dining room wall, and the middle is blank right now, but I have a art piece or decor idea that I'm going to create with Dollar Tree products that is going to be in the middle, so stay tuned for that. But I love these. I got them from Home Depot. I will link them down below. They come in so many different finishes. They come in the black, white, unfinished wood, I mean, and 2 other styles. So I will link it down below so you can pick whatever style that you want. But I like the white because I like everything white and black in my home. So for my centerpiece decor on my dining room table, it's going to be the same one that I shared with you guys last year. I really like how it came out, and so I wanted to do the same thing again. These are items that I found at Dollar Tree, also in the Target dollar spot, and that base that's at the bottom is basically one of the $5 like welcome signs. They're normally like welcome signs, or they'll have like a hello signs. It's basically the $5 signs you can find in the Dollar Tree Plus section. They have different sayings on them, so I can't just say like the welcome sign, because they do have other things on them depending on the holidays. But I took one and I basically spray painted it white, and I use it as a base for my dining room centerpiece, and I love it because I could change it out for the seasons and for the holidays, and I could just add things to it. But I love the fact that it's a white base so that it can go against this brown table, which again, I've told you guys all the time, I need to find time to make over this table because I really cannot stand this brown. I want to paint it black. I just cannot find no time, especially with the weather is being so crazy now. I can never find the time to do it, and I live in Texas. Either we have it too cold or it's too hot. So this is a project that I definitely have to take this outside in the garage, sand it down, and do different coats to it. So it's going to take me a while, but I do plan to make it over and make it black. But I'm just doing the same things that I did last year. Again, all this stuff is from Dollar Tree or the Target dollar spot.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know.
For the couch, I switched out to white pillowcases. They're the same brand that I've been buying for Christmas and Halloween. I will link it down below because they come in a bunch of different colors. And then I also added these heart pillows that I got in the Dollar Tree Plus section for $5.
A place where you'll make them just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off.
These heart lights I shared with you guys in my Dollar Tree haul. They're in the Dollar Tree Plus section for $5, and I told you guys I wanted to get them because I kind of miss having my Christmas tree up and having my Christmas tree lit when we would do family movie nights, and just having that extra little lighting in the living room when all the lights are out to watch movies. I like to have the look of it, so I thought these would be perfect to drape over my fireplace and so we could turn it on for movie nights and just have that little bit of lighting whenever we're doing movies. And I also got the Easter egg ones as well, so I'm going to be using that one for Easter. But for Valentine's Day, I'm just going to hang this one on the fireplace. It is a little bit long, but I like the way that it's draped, but you can put it shorter if you need it.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on
So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope this video gave you guys some inspiration and some cleaning motivation if you guys needed it. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.